Did you know that businesses spend, on average, $343 per employee every single month on software subscriptions? That's over $4,000 a year per person, just to keep things running. And here's the kicker. Most of those tools don't even work well together. Now imagine if you could cut that cost in half, or even more, while making your business run smoother than ever. Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not. I'm going to show you exactly how I automated my business with AI and saved thousands of dollars in the process. Let's dive in. AI. It's one of those things that sounds super futuristic, like something only big tech companies or billion-dollar corporations can afford. But here's the truth. AI is way more accessible than you think. It's not just for automating boring tasks or crunching numbers. It can actually replace a lot of the expensive apps you're already paying for. And the best part? It's easier to use than you might expect. In this video, I'm going to break down how I used AI to completely transform my business. I'll show you the exact tools I used, how they work, and how they save me both time and money. Whether you're running a small business, freelancing, or just curious about how AI can make your life easier, stick around. By the end of this, you'll see why AI isn't just a cool add-on. It's something every business should be using right now. Let's be real for a second. Running a business is expensive. You've got tools for project management, customer relationship management, CRM, email marketing, data analysis, and the list goes on. And here's the thing. Most of these tools don't even work well together. You end up spending hours manually transferring data between apps or paying for integrations that barely do what they're supposed to. For example, I used to pay for a project management tool, a separate CRM, and an email marketing platform. Together, they cost me over $500 a month. And even with all that, I still had to spend hours every week making sure everything was synced up. It was frustrating, time-consuming, and honestly, it felt like I was just throwing money away. That's when I started looking into AI. I thought, there's got to be a better way to do this. And guess what? There is. AI tools don't just replace individual apps. They can actually connect everything together and automate the boring, repetitive stuff so you can focus on what really matters, growing your business. All right, let's get into the good stuff. Here are 5 AI tools that completely changed the way I run my business. These tools didn't just save me money, they also save me hours of work every week. First up is ChatGPT. You've probably heard of it, but did you know there's a business version? It's not just for writing essays or answering random questions. I use ChatGPT to handle customer support, draft emails, and even create content for my website. For example, instead of paying for a separate customer support tool, I set up ChatGPT to answer common questions from clients. It's like having a 24/7 assistant that never takes a break. And the best part? It costs way less than what I was paying for my old support software. Here's a quick example. I had a client ask a super specific question about one of my services. Normally, I'd have to stop what I was doing, look up the answer, and type out a response. But with ChatGPT, it handled the question for me in seconds. That's time I got back to focus on more important things. Next is Notion AI. If you're not using Notion yet, you're seriously missing out. It's like a Swiss Army knife for organizing your business. But with the AI add-on, it gets even better. I use Notion AI to summarize meeting notes, generate to-do lists, and even brainstorm ideas for new projects. It's like having a personal assistant who's always one step ahead of you. For example, I had a meeting with a client last week, and instead of spending 30 minutes writing up notes afterward, I just fed the recording into Notion AI. It gave me a clean, organized summary in seconds. That alone saved me so much time, and it replaced my need for a separate project management tool, saving me over $100 a month. Now, this one's a game changer, Automation Anywhere. It's a tool that lets you automate repetitive tasks across your entire business. For example, I set it up to automatically update my CRM whenever a new lead comes in through my website. No more manual data entry, no more missed opportunities. It's like having a team of robots working behind the scenes, and it saved me countless hours. Here's another example. I used to spend hours every week sending follow-up emails to potential clients. Now, Automation Anywhere handles that for me. It's like having an extra employee, but without the salary. If you've ever wished your apps could just talk to each other, Zapier is the answer. It's not technically an AI tool, but it works so well with AI that I had to include it. I use Zapier to connect all my tools, like ChatGPT, Notion, and my email marketing platform, so everything runs smoothly. For example, when I create a new task in Notion, Zapier automatically adds it to my calendar and sends me a reminder. It's like magic. And the best part? It's super easy to set up. You don't need to be a tech expert to make it work. Last but not least is HubSpot AI. If you're in sales or marketing, this tool is a must-have. It uses AI to analyze your customer data and suggest the best ways to reach out to them. For example, it can tell you the best time to send an email or which leads are most likely to convert. It's like having a marketing expert on your team, but without the hefty salary. I've used HubSpot AI to optimize my email campaigns, and the results have been incredible. Open rates went up, click-through rates went up, and I didn't have to spend hours analyzing data to figure out what was working. The AI did it all for me. Let me give you a real-life example of how this all comes together. A friend of mine runs a small e-commerce business. She was spending over $1,000 a month on different tools: Shopify for her store, MailChimp for email marketing, and a separate CRM for managing customer data. She was also spending hours every week trying to keep everything organized. I helped her set up a system using ChatGPT, Notion AI, and Zapier. ChatGPT handles customer inquiries, Notion AI organizes her tasks and inventory, and Zapier connects everything together. Within a month, she cut her software costs by 60% and saved over 10 hours a week. And the best part? Her sales actually went up because she had more time to focus on her customers. This isn't just a one-off story. Businesses all over the world are using AI to save money and work smarter. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech expert to do it. These tools are designed to be user-friendly, so anyone can get started. So, what's the big takeaway here? AI isn't just some fancy tech for big companies. It's a powerful tool that can help you save money, save time, and grow your business. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or running a team, there's an AI solution out there for you. Tools like ChatGPT, Notion AI, Automation Anywhere, Zapier, and HubSpot AI are just the beginning. The possibilities are endless. And here's the thing. You don't have to overhaul your entire business overnight. Start small. Pick one tool, try it out, and see how it works for you. Trust me, once you see the results, you'll wonder how you ever managed without AI. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried using AI in your business? What tools are you using and how have they helped you? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips on how to use technology to work smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.